Hi guys, today I am going to be showing you how I curl my hair using my Lange curling wand. This wand is so pretty and so good. I've had it for quite a while. It's not turned on yet. I purchased it with my own money and this is not sponsored in any way. I just thought I would show you guys how I curl my hair and that I love this wand, so I want to share the love. This wand heats up really fast and it holds my curls for like 2 to 3 days. When I did purchase this, I purchased the bigger wand because I have longer hair and I'm still continuing to grow my hair out. I like the bigger, beachier waves, so that's why I purchased the bigger wand. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and it heats up really quick. So the blue light indicates that it's on. And I do have this like little hand glove that it came with, like this little heat protecting glove, but I just set the wand on the glove so it doesn't burn the counter or anything. I'm not sure if it would burn the counter, but just to make sure that it doesn't, that's what I do. However, use your own judgment. If you feel like you want to use the heat protecting glove, then go ahead and use that, and if you don't, then don't. I feel like I'm okay not using the glove. I have burned myself a couple of times. While it's heating up, I did use the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product and the Paul Mitchell Lavender Mint Conditioning Leave-In Spray. I use both of these when my hair is damp, and I went ahead and did my makeup, then blow dried my hair using this round brush. It's got a lot of hair in it, but this is the Revlon big round brush. I don't know. If you guys feel like you want to shop the products that I use, I do have an Amazon storefront. It links everything that I use for you guys as far as hair care. I do have some cooking stuff on there, some makeup, just products that I use, and you guys can go ahead and check that out if you're interested in shopping any of the products that I have and that I'm showing you guys in this video. Now I am going to section my hair off into 2 sections, just kind of like where my part is, just so you guys can see just very roughly. Then I go ahead and take my hair up into like this high pigtail situation, and I use these little like elastic, they're not elastics, I don't know what they are. And then I'm just gonna pull this hair up towards the top of my head, so I've kind of got like this situation going on. I do use these like little elastic things. I don't remember what they're called. I will see if I can find some and put them in my Amazon link, and I'll have that in the description box down below. But if you don't really like the ponytail wave that you get when you use elastics or anything like that, I would probably say don't purchase these, because these do that a little bit too. I have seen others use those like phone cord looking things, and those aren't supposed to leave like little hair tie rings in your hair, so maybe purchase some of those instead of these, but this is what I have as of right now. And we're done, voila! Just kidding. Okay, so now that I have my hair like this, I just go ahead and take a section, and I take pretty big sections because, like I said, I do like the fuller, beachier wave instead of like the tighter curl. And I'm going to curl away from my face, so I just wrap the hair around like this, and then I also leave a little bit of the end out to kind of give that messy, beachy look to it. And then go like this, and I hold it just for a little bit, just so that way kind of keeps the curl in place. So there we go, there's a nice little curl. And then I just go ahead and do that the entire way through. You know what, I just realized that I have been looking a lot at the top like little monitor thing, the little flip screen, and it's because I'm using it as a mirror. So I'm sorry about that, but since I am using it as a mirror, I do have to continue to look up. If you want curls towards you, you're gonna go this way and wrap forward. But since I like the curls to be away from my face, sometimes I do alternate them just depending on what I feel like, but mainly I usually just do them all away from my face. And see how pretty that is? I love it. And this is actually a really quick way to curl your hair. Just go like this. You don't really have to hold your hair on it too long because it is such high heat that it will curl your hair really fast, and then the curl also holds for quite a while. At least it does for me. I don't know how your hair is, but my hair will hold the curl for like 2 to 3 days. My hair is pretty thick as far as I have a lot of hair, but it's very fine as in the texture of my hair. And I do have more of a wavy, frizzy hair, as you guys can kind of see that it's more frizzy. When I do blow dry it, it tends to be a little straighter because I'm combing it through. But if I just let it air dry, then I do have more wave in my hair. It's not like curly, but it's definitely like this frizzy type of a wave situation. Once I'm done with that side, I just go ahead and do the same thing on this side and make sure that you are paying attention to which way you wrap your hair on the other side as well, that it is still going away from my face, so that way it matches up on both sides. Because I have seen curls on some people that go this way, like away from your face on one side, and then they decide to curl towards their face all on another side. And I don't think they do that on purpose, but just be aware of the way you are curling your hair. Once again, if you wanted to go forward, I would pull it forward like this, but since I want to go away from my face, I wrap away. Okay, once I have done that, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out like this. Kind of just fluff these curls, run my fingers through them, and take this elastic out. Then I take the front piece of my hair and I typically redo it because I like it to be, I don't know, just like a certain way, a little more curly. So just go ahead and do that. Do the same thing, and I'll just take this front section and wrap. Pull forward, and then if I feel like I need to redo a couple of sections, because I like this to be a little higher, and I just redo a couple of sections and it's still really quick. Like so. And then over here I typically do around the same area, just to kind of gives me a little more volume if I curl up towards the root. a little bit more. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Paul Mitchell Flexible Style Fast Drying Sculpting Spray. And this stuff smells so good, and I love it because it doesn't give like a super hold. Like, it holds really well, but it's not that hold that's crunchy. It's a flexible hold where you can still run your fingers through your hair and it still gives you that hold. So that is what I look for and what I like. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray. And I typically spray the ends and then kind of like scrunch up just to give that curl, that stay in that body. And then I do the same on this side. Like that. Then I take it like this and I just kind of run my fingers at like the root to the crown of my head, and I just kind of spray, spray. Then I take my fingers and I kind of push up right here, push up, and spray my bangs, or my little swoop kind of a thing going on. And I kind of let that hairspray dry. I just take this brush and I just very softly brush it out. Then if I decide that I want a little more volume, I will take another Revlon brush, and I just kind of grab like this side section, and it's kind of like connected to the crown, I guess, and I just lightly tease it like so. Do the same thing. I do a little bit in the back crown section, so like that. Then I will take this brush and just lightly kind of manipulate and move the hair and make sure that there's no like rat's nest looking thing going on that I can see. Then I will just go ahead and spray the top really quick. There we have it. Pretty quick curls that are nice and beachy. See how simple and easy that was? Don't forget to give this video a like. Also, subscribe if you would like to, and you can also hit that little bell. It notifies you when I post. I post on Mondays and Thursdays. Feel free to share this video. It really helps me out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!